Hi, it's Chris from Duffy Floors. We're back here on the Gloucester job where we've installed 8-inch hickory flooring. Hickory is a wild looking floor. It's got a lot of different grains in it. It's got a lot of different coloring in it. You can get dark boards, light boards, and within the same board, it could be night and day, light and dark, with the browns and the white tones in the wood. As you can see here, we've installed this 8-inch plank down, and the customer really wanted it to look just like the raw floor does. So what we decided to do, we worked up some samples and we decided to go with a white stain on the floor, but we needed a little bit more penetration of the white to sort of subdue some of the brown boards that are here. So we popped the floor with water in order to open up that grain to allow a little bit more stain to take in. As you can see here, we just stained this patch here. We've been doing strips as we're going, and you can see that it's really drying very nicely out there. Not as white that it is here, but it's really sort of giving that natural raw look that the customer wanted. So we're working on this. We're going to be applying the stain today and getting that done. We'll be using the water-based urethane on top of that so it won't yellow, and it'll give it that more of a clear, concise, raw look. So this is Chris from Duffy Floors. If you've got any wood floor work that you need done, or if you've got any questions about wood floors, give us a call at 781-395-3418, or you can go on my website to Ask the Expert page for a consultation, and you can ask me questions about many different floors or our processes or anything like that. So this is Chris from Duffy Floors, signing off.